Welcome to today's math class. This is the continuation of the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals, and also this is the last class of this chapter. Today we will learn how to solve the exercise problems. First exercise 4.3. In that first exercise, complete each statement with the definition or a property used. Here we already know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are equal, and the sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree. By using that knowledge, solve this problem. AD is equal to, which is the opposite side? BC. So AD equals to BC. Opposite sides are equal. Next, what is the measurement of angle DCB is equal to which angle? Angle DCB. This is. What is the opposite angle of this? DAB. Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. So DAB is equals to DCB. Then OC is equal to what? In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. That means BD diagonal bisects AC. Therefore, OC is equal to OA. Next, what is the sum of angle DAB plus angle CDA? These two angles are the adjacent angles. What is the sum of the adjacent angles in a parallelogram? That is equal to 180 degree. Next problem. Find the values of x, y, z in the given following figures. In that first one, ABCD is a parallelogram. One of the angle is given, that is B 100 degree. Right here, angle B equals to 100 degree. Then find the values of x, y, z. Here, we already know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. For B, which angle is opposite? D. Very good. Angle B equals to angle D, that is 100 degree. D means what? Y. Angle Y is equal to 100 degree. Then, what is the sum of Y plus Z? These two are the adjacent angles. Sum of the adjacent angles in a parallelogram is 180 degree. That means angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. We are already found Y is 100 degree. Substitute Y 100 plus Z equals to 180 degree. Then Z is equal to 180 minus, transpose this 100. That equals to 80 degree. Z is equal to 80 degree. Then find X. Z and X are opposite angles. They are equal. Therefore, X is equal to Z equals to how much? What is that? 80 degree. So, X is equal to 80 degree. Angle Y is 100. Angle Z is 80 degree. And angle X is 80 degree. In this figure, ABC is a parallelogram. How to find angle X, Y, Z? We already know that opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So, Y is equal to 80 degree. Why? Because angle B is equal to angle D. Therefore, Y is equal to 80 degree. Then what is the angle X? We already know that angle A plus angle D. These two are adjacent angles. The sum of these two is equal to 180 degree. Then what is A? X. Substitute here. What is D? We already know that. That is 80 degree. That is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 80. That is equal to 100 degree. X is how much? 100 degree. Then find this angle C. That is BCD angle first. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles. They are equal. So then find angle C. Angle A is what? X. X is equal to angle C. Or angle C is equal to X. X means how much? 100 degree. So Y is 80. X is 100 and angle C is 100 degree. Then how to find angle Z? Z is an exterior angle. Here angle Z plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. They are the linear pairs. That means angle TCE plus angle BCD. They are the linear pairs. Some of them are 180 degree. So TCE Z, right? Plus angle PCD we already found, that is 100 degree equals to 180. So angle Z is equal to 180 minus 100, that is equal to 80 degree. Angle Z is equal to 80 degree. Angle X is 100, angle Y is 80 and angle Z is 80 degree. ABCD is a parallelogram. In this, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. First find angle Y. Angle B equals to angle D. They are the opposite angles. So B is how much given? 112 degree is equal to dy. So Y is equal to 112 degree. Then find the angle X. In triangle ACD, sum of the three angles of the triangle is how much? 180 degree. They are angle DAC plus angle ACD plus angle ADC is equal to how much? 180 degree. Substitute the angles here. DAC is known to us, given to us, that is how much? 40 degree. Plus ACD is, we have to find X plus ADC is 112 degree. Then 40 plus 112 is 152. So X plus 152 is equal to 180 degree. So X is equal to 180 minus 152. That is equal to 28 degree. What is the angle X? 28 degree. Then find Z. Here I already told you that in a parallelogram, diagonal bisects or divides the parallelogram into two congruent angles. According to that, R AB is parallel to CD, then angle, see this angle X is equal to angle Z. Angle X is equal to angle Z. X means angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to, Z means angle CAB. These are alternate angles. So X is equal to Z. We are already known X is 28 degree. So Z is equal to 28 degree. Once again, X is 28, Z is 28 and Y is 112 degree. Third problem, in a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if first one, angle D plus B equals to 180 degree. Is it a parallelogram? In a parallelogram, D and B are the opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. But what is given here? D plus B is 180 degree. So it is not a parallelogram. ABCD is not a parallelogram. Let's come to next one. AB is equal to CD. They are 8 centimeters. And AD is 4 centimeters. And BC is 4.4 centimeters. Can this a parallelogram? See this. AB is equal to CD. They are opposite sides. They are equal. Next one. AD and BC are the opposite sides. But they are not equal. So ABCD is not a parallelogram. Next. Third one. Angle A is 70. Angle C is 65 degree. Here A and C are the opposite angles. They are not equal here. Therefore, ABCD is not a parallelogram. Fifth problem. The measures of two adjacent angles of parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. In this, we have to find the values of ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. In this, the two adjacent angles are given, that means the ratio of the two adjacent angles is given, that is 3:2. Let them angle A be 3x and angle D be 2x. Why? Because A and D are in the ratio 3:2. To find the values of A and D, let them A be 3x and D be 2x. We are already known that in a parallelogram, sum of the two adjacent angles is how much? 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle D is equal to how much? 180 degree. So angle A is how much? 3x and angle D is how much? 2x. That is equal to 180. 3x plus 2x is 5x. That is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to, divide this 180 by 5. That is equal to 5 3s are 50, 3 remainder 30, 3 6 are 30. 5 6 are also x is equal to 36 degree. Then find the values of A and D. We already know that A is 3x. Next 3 into, substitute the value of x, that is 36 degree. That is equal to 3 6 18 1, 3 3 9 plus 1, 108 degree. Angle A is 108 degree. Then find angle D. Angle D is how much? D is 2x. That is equal to 2 into, what is the value of x? 36. That is equal to 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, 72. Angle A is 108, angle D is 72. In a parallelogram, we already know that opposite angles are equal. So A and C are opposites. Angle A is equal to angle C. We already know the value of A, that is 108. So angle C is equal to 180. Similarly, B and D are the opposite angles. Angle B is equal to angle D. They are the opposite angles. They are equal. We are already known angle D. That is how much? 72 degree. So D is equal to 72 degree. Angle A is 108. Angle C is 108 degree. And B and D are the 72 degrees. Sixth problem. Two adjacent angles in a parallelogram have equal measures. Find the measure of each angle in the parallelogram. Here ABC is a parallelogram. In this, two adjacent angles are given, they are equal. So find the measures of each of the angle. Here A and D are the two adjacent angles. Let them be x. Angle A is equal to angle D is equal to what? X. They have equal measures. So write it them as x. Then find the value of x first. Here in a parallelogram, the sum of the two adjacent angles is how much? 180 degree. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. What is A? X. What is D? X. That is equal to how much? 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these x and x. 2x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 by 2. That is equal to 90 degree. So, x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle A and D are how much? X. X is how much? 90 degree. Then find the measures of other angles. A and B are the opposite angles. A is equal to C. A and C are the opposite angles. They are equals to 90. Similarly, B and D are equal angles. What is angle B? Angle B is how much? Angle D is known to us. How much? 90. Therefore, angle B is also 90 degree. Here each angle measures 90 degree in this parallelogram. So, this parallelogram is a what? Rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel and each angle measures 90 degree. In problem 8, first one, the following figure GUNS is a parallelogram. Find the value of X and Y. GUNS is a parallelogram. We already know that opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Which are the opposite sides here? GU is equal to NS and SG is equal to UN. These two opposite sides are equal. First find angle Y. GU is equal to NS. What is GU value? That is 3Y minus 1 is equal to, what is the value of NS? 26. Substitute here. Then find the value of Y. 3Y is equal to 26. This minus when it goes to the other side it becomes plus 1. So that is equal to 27. 3Y is equal to 27. Then what is the value of Y? 27 by 3. That is equal to 9 centimeter. So Y is equal to 9 centimeter. Similarly, find the value of X here. We are already known that SG is equal to UN. They are the opposite sides. They are equal. Substitute the values here. SG is given how much? 3X is equal to. UN is given how much? 18. Then X is equal to 18 by 3. That is equal to 3 6 are 18. So X is equal to 6 centimeters. X is 6 centimeter and Y is equal to 9 centimeters. In 8th problem, second one. RUNS is a what? Parallelogram. Find the value of X1, Y. We already know that in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. That means RO is equal to ON and SO is equal to OU. Once again, diagonals in a parallelogram bisect each other. RO is equal to ON and SO is equal to OU. Yes, substitute the values here. First, take this. SO is equal to OU. First find the value Y, then find X. Here, SO is equal to OU. SO is how much given? 20. Then OU is how much? Y plus 7. And Y plus 7 is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 minus 7. That is 13 centimeters. What is the value of Y? 13 centimeters. Then find the value of X. Here RO is equal to ON. RO is given, that is 16 centimeter. Then what is ON? X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to 16. Here substitute the value of Y, that is 13. X plus Y is how much? 13. That is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 minus 13. That is equal to 3 centimeters. So X is 3 centimeter and Y is 13 centimeter. Ninth problem. In the above figure, RISK and CLUE are parallelograms. Find the value of X. Children, see this figure. RISK is a parallelogram. One of the angle K is given. First find the value of R. These two are the adjacent angles. Sum of the adjacent angles is how much? 180. If this is 120, what is the measure of this? 60. In this parallelogram, R and S are the opposite angles. They are equal. So what is the angle S? That is 60 degree. Similarly, in parallelogram CLUE, angle L is equals to angle E, opposite angles. If angle L is 70, what is the measure of angle E? That is 70 degree. Then find the value of X. How to find? Here EPS is a triangle. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is known to you. That is how much? 180. equal to 180 minus 70 plus 60 is how much? 130. 180 minus 130 is how much? 50 degrees. So what is the value of x? 50 degrees. So do this problem yourselves. That's that. Find the measure of angle P and S if SP parallel to RQ. In figure PQRS. 12th one problem. How to find this angle P and S here? We already know that in a trapezium, sum of the adjacent angles on the non-parallel sides is how much? 180 degree. Once again, sum of the adjacent angles on the non-parallel sides. Which are the non-parallel sides here? RS and PQ are the non-parallel sides. So, angle P plus angle Q is how much? 180 degree. Angle Q is known to us, write P as it is. Angle Q is how much? 120. That is 180 degree. Angle P is equal to 180 minus 120. That is how much? 60 degree. Angle P is 60 degree. Next, angle R and S are all the adjacent angles on the non-parallel sides. PQ and RS. What is sum of these two angles? That is also 180 degree. Angle R plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. What is the symbol of this? What is the measure of this angle? 90 degree. So angle R is known to us, that is 90 degree plus angle S equals to 180. Then angle S is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degree. Angle P is how much? 60 degree. And angle S is 90 degree.